Ever wondered why okra, that humble green finger-like vegetable, often finds a place in your mum's dinner recipes? Well, this little powerhouse of nutrients is not just a culinary delight but also a treasure trove of health benefits. First off, okra is packed with fiber. Now, fiber is a bit of a superstar when it comes to our health. It aids in digestion, keeps us feeling full, and helps to keep those pesky sugar cravings at bay. But okra doesn't stop at fiber. This modest vegetable is also a great source of antioxidants. Antioxidants, as some of you might know, are our body's defense against harmful substances called free radicals. They help protect our cells from damage, which in turn reduces our risk of chronic diseases. And, ladies and gentlemen, the benefits just keep coming. Okra also boasts generous amounts of vitamin C. This vitamin is a crucial player in our immune system, helping us fend off common colds and other infections. Plus, it's great for our skin, giving us that coveted youthful glow. Now, let's turn our attention to the heart. Yes, okra is a friend to our ticker too. It's low in sodium and contains no saturated fats or cholesterol, making it a heart-healthy choice. And the list doesn't end here. Okra is a good source of folate, a nutrient that's essential for pregnant women. It's also rich in magnesium, a mineral that helps with muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, and blood pressure regulation. So to recap, okra is a nutritional powerhouse. It's filled with fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C. It's heart-healthy, great for digestion, and beneficial for pregnant women. It's a humble vegetable with a wealth of health benefits. So the next time you see okra on your plate, don't just push it aside. Embrace it, enjoy it, and reap the incredible health benefits it brings. Here's to good health with okra.